first. See? See? Yeah man, it's done. This. So today I'm showing you how to make a very simple but yet delicious Jamaican pastry. Yeah man, very easy. And now I know that now on Sunday it make rice and peas, right? So instead of trying to put in the trash, I'm showing you what to do with it. So come in closer, come see what Gwaan. Right? So this our coconut trash. Right? Yeah. And so we have the flour right here, so. Right? So we're going with little flour. You can use baking flour or breakfast flour in one you want to use. Yeah. Alright. It's ready. Coconut trash now. If you have, for example, 2 cups of coconut trash, you put a cup of flour to it. Right? I don't want enough to bind the coconut trash together. Yeah. I will go in with little cinnamon powder. Right? So I'm going with the nutmeg. Add in some sugar. And guys, if you don't want, you can also mix the coconut milk. I said the coconut milk, right? The ginger already, not this already. Then out and thing. If you want, you can add the sugar, the salt, everything to this mixture. Add the spice and thing, yeah, and you taste it. And if you want more, you adjust it to how you want it. Yeah. So add little coconut milk to this. Little melted butter, don't know. Yeah, little rose water. Yeah, if you be careful with this milk, guys, because it's very strong. Yeah. And the vanilla. Yeah. Add in a little baking powder because it's baking powder. Without baking powder, it'll go tough. So add a little brown in, you know, for coloring, because I don't know, I don't want to white. Look a bit. Okay. I know want the black. Yeah. The taste. Add a little more this in there. More sugar. A little more vanilla. Yeah man, and that's supposed to be it. to brim. Alright. Yeah man guys, so this easy Jamaican cake and yet delicious. You see the ginger? The ginger keep a nice flavor. Yeah man, so the ginger and thing, the ginger and the vanilla and the cinnamon powder are the number one, are the three main spice that we eat. Yeah man, them three are number one. So yeah man, we go and do the thing, you know, for next hour or so or less, and it's done. Yeah man, so give it an hour and I'll come back. Alright guys, so what test we're going to feed now. You don't know if you push it, your knife or whatever you use, sticking it from come out and clean, you know, so yeah, it's done. So you stick in the middle, because the middle always like cook last. The end them, the edge them always bake first. See? See? Yeah man, it's done. Yeah, so I need a couple minutes, or hour or so, or two, to cool. Yeah man, then we chop it out and taste him. Yeah.